Now, since by right it should have only one block, the other one I don't care because just now it should share with you for walkthrough purposes. So if I go to my level 2, because 1 nothing for our area, nothing much. So I go to level 2. The rest I'll close it. Now this one now I'll delete away, but it's not important for my case. If you don't want to delete, then what happened to other model? It does affect. See, don't just delete from here. You notice my view now, 3D, that level disappear. So you guys got to be careful how you delete. All right, undo back. So let's say I focus on this because both areas the same. So no point you show both. Second story, if you are doing here, so assuming everything is done, correct? You know that this is my master bedroom, this is my bedroom, this is the living, kitchen, dining, and so on. So how you going to separate that area? Okay, so ready? Right click, duplicate your view. So documentation, first thing you need to duplicate your view. I'll select duplicate with detailing. Then, since it's for documentation, of course, meantime, you place them together. Then how to differentiate them? Now here, I will rename. So second story, you put there as annotation. So what is inside the annotation? Dimension, tagging, and something else. All right. Now I duplicate again. Second story. Now this one here, I duplicate is to create the color scheme, or they call it color legend. Because Aki, you need to tell them this is the master bedroom by tagging or room tag. Then you add color scheme. So I call this color legend or room color legend. You call it. So rename dash, okay, color scheme. Oops, ME. Okay. Temporarily, I call color scheme first. They may call room legend and something on and so on. All right. Now I'm doing color scheme. In other words, a lot of CAT 2D thing not required already because when you're doing for your documentation, all this tagging not required. All right. Yeah. So how to hide? Do not delete. You delete, your elevation also disappear. So VG, this is under annotation category, elevation. Where is it? Elevation. A B C D E F, elevation. Now your CAD file is still in the background, so not required. Import the CAD, uncheck the typical. See, my topo is still there. It doesn't show, then don't bother. Apply, okay. So you see clean. Okay, this break here, I will set this away. If you are not doing sectioning on this, then if temporarily you don't need to see this, your section line, you can hide it. So VG, section is under annotation category. Scroll down, look for section here, uncheck. Apply, then OK. Okay, so or you temporarily don't want to see the grid also can. You can off it lah, up to you. Because it mainly for structure ma. But normally when you do it for discussion, then you still need to leave it there. So how can I create this area? Now, if your area here already so-called subdivide properly, you can do it properly. All right. But you see that in architecture tab under the rooms and area. Now, don't eager to do. You see here there's a room separator. If your room is not enclosed, you want to divide it, cut it yourself, then you do it. And room tag is in case the tag you turn it off, because default is always on. So when you add a room, the tagging area will follow. Now, area boundary, area tag. For archi or consultant archi or conceptual archi, sometimes they need to do planning GFA. So this is how they do the area tag for submission purpose. That means you calculated your GFA follow this piece of land, because total GFA for livable area, right, when you buy the piece of land, it's already been calculated. So they must not more than the calculated. It can be less, but not more than that. So they need to compare. So that is for GFA thing. But let's say for plan label, this is master bedroom. This is bedroom 1. This is living. This is dining, kitchen, then toilet, bathroom 1, bathroom 2 kind of thing. Then this is the yard. How you add the tag. So it's under room. Right? Now, how the area detect, you see the X mark, right? See? And when they're outside, it's actually a rectangular frame when they move out. See? When you see a blue color box, means it doesn't have a room bounding. So be careful. And how the area detect, because it's more on telling the interior. So here, you are only doing the surface area, which is room and area. For a start, you need to understand area and volume computation. If you are doing GFA, then you got to capture area and volume. And it should be at wall center. All right. But if you are doing more on the surface, that means the wall surface interior calculation, then it should be only area, no volume. Because you can tabulate the what do you call it, the floor area, your wall area. Why? Interior can tabulate how many gallon of paint required. They can calculate. Oh, I want this guy to be two paint, paint twice lah, yeah, or three coat, or 2 coat, 3 coat. So it can multiply ma. Then they can quote the owner. Oh, what is the paint required? All right, how many gallons? So they can order, tabulate all this. Then of course, when I'm talking about that, then this should be wall finish. Okay. Area skin for GFA, you gotta tell them, oh, this is the vertical truss lah, or this is a hollow, or this is a void. Like this is actually a staircase. It should be a void. So you have a staircase inside. But this in-depth thing, we don't go to calculate because I'm not doing Archi. So I might miss out certain info that is there. Because here they are not teaching you to do GFA, by the way. It's more on modeling. So everything so far is okay. Then you click OK. To do tagging, room. When you select this, make sure that this is checked. And you go in, you notice that the area, why this guy detect over? Because your wall are not connected properly. Can you see how they detect? They never detect my curtain wall. They only detect others. Unless you are drawing like your assignment 1. there's no physical column. It's all archi column, archi wall. Then all these automatically sealed up. Then you can no need to worry that they detect overboard. And you can see that what's a question mark? Room, meter, and square feet. That means this particular tag, they have two area. So in other words, before I do tagging, I go to customize. I only want room and meter square area, not the otherwise. So how to preset? Cancel first. Go to manage. No, sorry. Annotate. Under the tag here, see tag. Go load text and symbol. From here, you can see that default your room tag. Where is it? You see inside the preset medium name number with both area. You don't want that. You only want metric area only. All right. If you don't preset here, every time it appear, right, you can adjust from the type selector, which is troublesome lah. You know. So since you are used in Singapore, we only use meter square one, unless your project is overseas where they need two area, square feet and meter square. Then you show both lah. If not, only one. Okay, so I already adjust this. Click OK. Then when I start to tag, see what happened. Go back to my archi room. Okay, it still detect outside, right? So I don't care, don't worry. Pick first. Notice something is amiss, right? See, it detect outside. Wrong ma, look at it. 86 meter square. This room is as big as 4-room flat. So something is wrong. Why? There's an opening here. See now. So room separator, you got to join from your wall to this wall lah. Then modify. Look at the area now, 24. Now this 24 is inclusive the whole toilet. It's wrong also. See now. So separator, turn off the chain. I need to cut it from where? Line. You got to draw this from here to here. You notice now the area cuts further away. What happened? You have another wall here. See, they bypass this. Look at it. Wrong also, right? So room separator, line, or pick line better still. Pick this, and you pick this. Okay, how about top one? Yeah, pick this. I think it's too minimum to adjust lah. So no div lah. See, too skinny. Although it's subtract way, because it never show the decimal place. It's just give 19 meter. All right, it means they auto round off. Okay, but if you prefer to see the, let's say 18 point something or 19 point something, I got to modify this room tag. Okay, how? Select the tag and you see that there's edit family. Edit this. Highlight only the one says 1005 square meter. You go to edit label. This one you can see that the step is quite similar like what we do our level. Remember the level shared datum editing is similar. So area, select this. See, edit. Here, you want to make some changes here, right? Use photo project, no. See decimal place, I want 2 decimal place. Follow project, no decimal place. All right, so you want to do decimal place, yeah? Nearest to 2 decimal place, okay. Okay, load into project, override, see, 18.7. But now your meter square missing because I never select the unit meter square, correct? So go back again. Where's my unit meter square? Where is meter square? Here. Okay, okay. So loading back, override. Remember, longer file name. Nah, this is correct now. 18.7 meter square. Questions? How you do the tagging? So if this is okay, now you can continue to tag. All right. So Aki room. Later I'll rename, but because some of the wall, you see, it doesn't tag. Very weird. Why? Anyone knows? Is it because our limit? No, it's 2D ma. See, something is wrong here in my drawing. Is it? I don't see that detect my wall. Very weird, huh? So never mind. Let's add first. Then separator. You pick line here and here. So I think now it changed already, right? See? Select the X. How you do the naming? Don't just pick at the text and edit. You select this will do. Then here, room, you change to bedroom 1. Done. See now? So that one is master bedroom. So here, master bedroom. Enter. Yep. Sometimes you may want this text to go second line. If too long, then you must go to the edit text there to adjust the box. From here, you can't adjust the box. Okay, questions? See, this guy automatically follow one. If you drag this, you see there's a line linked to it. Okay, so that's how you can determine. Questions? So this is your corridor. This is your dining, right? So I think, sorry, living. So in that case, I might as well add the separator first, all the way maybe to here. After that, this one to here, and kitchen is here. So I think I draw all the way lah to this perpendicular here. So somewhere here. Yep. Then toilet one, I think should be okay. So area room. See, this one, the wallet doesn't work. Understand? I think I don't know. I know why. It's the model, the way been interconnect with my slab. Something is wrong somewhere. See, this one is perfect. This one here, okay. This one here, not okay. You notice? That means my wall, I think the way I do it, something is not right. Yeah. So can just a simple tagging will tell you something is wrong. Tricky, huh? So you got to be lookout for that. Okay, so this one here, I got to tag this. Whoops, overlapping. Yeah, because this one can actually across. So this one not needed. Delete this away. See, it's there already. Okay. Oops, what did I deleted? That. Yeah, this is the one that delete. So here, I will need to extend to here. Okay. So now you room. Nah, some more. Here. See now, a lot of cutting selection need to be done. So careful on your room. See that? This one here, you can place them together. It's okay because the whole place is bathroom. Right? This is your yard. So my yard is not properly kept. Okay? So select this. Delete room. Yeah, clashing ma. Alright, so I got to mark first. Correct? Separator. Draw this here to here. Surprisingly, how comes it does happen on drawing like that? Very weird. See, it doesn't enclose properly. Hopefully your drawing not like mine. If like mine, you headache, I'm telling you. Okay? Yeah, this is the area now. Okay? So you guys can continue to tag them and start to rename. So master bedroom, bedroom one. So this one here, this is my living. All right, living. This one here is your dining. Yep. This one here is your kitchen. Oops, what did I type? Kitchen. Then this one here, you can call it your corridor lah. This is what I can think of. What you call this corridor? Because it's shared between the few rooms, your bedroom one and the master. Yeah lah, corridor. Okay, corridor. Then this is my yard. YARD. Okay, of course, still got more, which is your toilet and so on. Now, based on what you see, if you continue, okay, now, how to add the color scheme? You go to view. Is it view? Hold on now. How come I can't find? Hey, view don't have View should have, right? Schedule. Sorry. Annotate. Annotate. You see, color fill legend. So you click color fill legend. You notice there's only one came out. Since I have two, so maybe I'll put one here. Okay, it will look like this. So what we want to capture, not space, it should be rooms. Sometimes you see others because you can do for calculation for aircon, confirm some others. So rooms by department, no, by room number first. Because what we want is room name. All right, but because currently don't have so you select room number first, you pick OK. You notice that they will calculating and they will start coming out this. So far so good. Okay, now Then to edit to what I want. First, here doesn't come with a label because the label is actually under edit type, which is show title. This is the one. Apply. It says by room number legend. Okay. Then all these text, you can see that this is the title text, which is this one. This is the text, which is this one. Yeah. So totally have two. Okay. So you can change the font on the height. Now, to change by others, like room numbers, room names, or area or whatever, is called edit skin. So edit skin, you see something like this. Yep. So first, room number, we leave it. I'm going to duplicate. So is that duplicate here? Yeah, duplicate. You want this to be by room name. All right, by room name. Then here, change name. The by, I think, take away lah. No need to be by lah. Okay. Then color. You can choose area if you are calculating for area. Base finish means your floor. All right. This is floor. Base is what? Your coating base finish could be that. Yeah. This is your wall. This is to calculate parameter. This is to know the occupancy rate by number, by name. If you are doing other things like department store, you can calculate by department. So here we want to use name. Now they ask me this, just click OK. They'll refresh. See now. So what you have tagged, it will show here. Then if let's say you make any changes, you can actually, the moment you add it in, they will auto apply in again. Now it's like partially done, like that. Okay, so this is what I mean by room names, color scheme. Architect need this, very important in their model. Questions? So I want you guys to perform another one. So if you do this, and this guy based on same name here, you automatically track. You may want to have a different legend because here got two different model here, all right. Okay, questions? No questions? So this is your color scheme. If no, then I'll stop recording from here.